In this question, we have to solve an equation for x when we have an x value on both sides of the equation. So to begin this process, let's go ahead and rewrite our equation to start. So we have negative 4.7x plus 2.2, and that's equal to a positive 3.3x minus 6.6. Now, in order to solve this for x, what we'd like to do is move all terms to one side. So all x terms on one side and all constant terms on the other. So I'm going to start by removing the constant term from the left-hand side. So to do that, I'm going to need to subtract 2.2 from that side. And if I do it to the left-hand side, I need to subtract it from the right-hand side as well. So if I do that, I'm left with a negative 4.7x on this side. Those subtracted give me 0. So they're gone. I've got 3.3x here, and I've got a negative 6.6 minus 2.2, so that's a negative 8.8. From there, what I'd like to do now is get all of the x terms on one side as well. So to do that, I'm going to be subtracting 3.3x from the right-hand side, which of course means I need to subtract 3.3x from the left-hand side. So if I go ahead and do that, what I've got is I've got a negative 8x on the left-hand side, and I've got a negative 8.8 on the right-hand side. So to finish solving this for x now, we're going to use the opposite or inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. And we're going to divide both sides by negative 8. Going ahead and doing that, these divide to give me 1, so I have x left. And if I take a negative divided by a negative, then we get a positive answer, and a positive answer of 1 decimal 1. So my answer would be B.